See cheese. Go, go, mommies, go, mommies, go, go, mommies, go, mommies, go, 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 mommies. Uh-oh, be careful. It's hot as fuck. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl, Light Skin Mommy. We're in nature today. Literally. I think we're gonna catch some turtles and yeah, let's see how that goes. This ground is hot as fuck. My toes are toasting. And I didn't put my shoes on. Be one with nature, you know, whatnot. Shade. Let's go. Look at all this water. That shit is crazy. Be careful with her. So yeah, I'm going on the bridge right now. It's fucking hot. This is my spray bottle. My daughter's down there. You see her? Yep. Let's just take a good video of the water. Let me see your hand. Thank you. Jesus. You okay? Okay. I think it's about time to wrap this trip up. So just do not be careful. There we go. If I look funny, don't say shit. Thank you. Ta-ta for now, darlings.